Hello everyone, it's Lumibank with the Forex analysis, swing trade analysis on GBP card, AUD USD, Euro USD, and DXY is what I'll be sharing with you in the few minutes that I will spend with you here today. Uh, let's proceed. No wasting of time. GBP card first on the list. Looking at this pair, it was looking bearish earlier, and I called that we sold down. I in fact entered around here, because of if you look at this and the next chart the chart I'm showing you currently, how it has been making lower lows and breaking old old lows, structures like that, and I was like expecting that from here we get down and make a new low, or at least for me, first take profit will be taken here, and then potentially another take profit here. But it didn't happen that way, and then rechecking again, I see that okay, I saw that this is going up, and all majors too are probably heading up too. Yeah, I've analyzed and I'm so convicted of this now. So this has been dropping, but I checked the weekly time frame using the top down analysis, and I see that okay, um it's okay to take this L because market the market is actually dynamic. You need enough experience to trade it, and sometimes you need patience even after you lost a trade, even after you lost a position. This is looking so bearish here. After this range bond here, you see what happened. So I was expecting that okay, we just probably keep making lower lows, but looking at the daily time frame, what I'm seeing here is now different from what it was saying before. Yeah, so I'm trying to bring the maps that I draw. So looking at it on the daily time frame and using the Fibonacci tool, taking these lows here, taking this low and then this high here, you can see that price perfectly tap into the a POI, a very good level of POI on the discounts, in the discount zone, and then it's rallying up, which is very good. Now for a market that we call trending to the upside, we don't stop here after such tact from here. Yeah, so the market with high probability is going with impulse to break not just this low high. Yeah, this high first. If you had entered here, your first target is of course here, and your next target will be somewhere higher above this level that it is now, which I'm showing you here, above, like above the highs. So price will probably destroy these highs, or take it out, break through it with such impulse. So it could happen that okay, price drop a little bit to this place, or to a certain level here, or even here, because of this other block. But essentially price is heading forward. I'm not in any trade on GBP card as I speak, but the analysis is to the upside, looking at the using the Fibonacci. If you look at this one too, from this very low, very old low, this is uh, September 2023, to this high that was formed in the GBP card market November 2023, you can see that price retraced to the 50% of it, and then it went up, and now we are at 78 Fibonacci zone, and then it's rallying up. So I'm predicting the next move to the upside is is just gonna happen. It has to happen. Yeah, because of what has you know because of what has happened. And one thing that you notice, one thing I notice is the inducement here. You get this inducement here, so price make it higher, it made an high and then drop to this level, and then this particular level raid it and then start going up, so hence more confluence for a buy. Yeah, so another one that we'll be talking about is the GBP card. I'm not mistaken, not a mistake when I talk that this in the major pair are up for buys. They are going for buys, and it's quite interesting because me looking at this daily time frame charts as it is now, even to the eyes of a pro, if you don't, if you don't take into consideration the real fundamentals and context of the market here, it's it's going to be confusing. It's actually confusing these days. It's confusing. Why? Is because there are old eyes here, and then we have this is like a potential swing eye, a potential swing eye, especially because it has the market has dropped below this what I call this equal lows, or uh how do ICT call it? I want to remember the word. Okay, I lost the word. I can't find, I can't get the word. Okay, almost unequal lows. So after they drop below that, you expect that okay, this retracement is going to make price drop real hard. And if it would have dropped, I won't be expecting my sell from here. It's not just because of what the chart is looking like. That's not why I'm making the decision. It's something way beyond that, and I can't be saying I can't actually be saying that it will take all day in this single analysis, you get. But what I'm trying to say is using the top down analysis uh, is just gonna help. It's gonna help. I remember earlier February, January, I've been saying okay, GBP USD will probably get this other block. Yeah, and at some point I was like okay, maybe price just want to check this level here. Let me widen the charts. Maybe it's just want to check this level and then drop, and then more confusion, more confusion. I had to wait until I'm seeing that okay, this is actually the in my context, the market context, and what I have, what I believe based on my technicals is saying, and it's been saying an upside since, but we're just having some drawbacks, and that's why market has been trading downward. In fact, since January 2024, markets is been up, like the market has been to the upside if you are technically inclined. So all this drop that happened here was just some drawback that the market has to do before it goes really up, and it's very, very, very amazing. It's dynamic, uh some have lost money in the process. Yeah, and from here I'm anticipating that okay, price gets to this high here, which is like 31, the 31.0, 1.31, sorry, 1.31 level. So pretty much this is not an analysis where I put stop loss and take profits, because I'm not in any trade already. Now if you are in my community, you'll be seeing me sharing such screenshots of my long and short position with my of my trade, and you can choose to either take it or leave it. Of course, a lot of people taking my trade in the community, making money. I'll include the group link in the description below. So if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so As I was saying, we are going to be running upside based on what this market structure is saying. With the Fibonacci instruments, you can see that okay, the market is really aside from the other block here, which is very is a very good POI to expect price movement from. Let me put this on the daily time frame. So price almost gets to the 0.78, but essentially below the it's just around the discount zone, 0.61 Fibonacci level. Yeah, so it's going up and to the upside to raid this first, and then this level, so this level here, price will probably break it, but the first target for me, oops, the first profit target for me is here, and then the next profit target will be here. Yeah, so that's it for GBP USD. But before then, this drop that is currently happening, I want to see it exhaust, and then we see another impulse leg up, and it's not so much different with Euro USD as well. Euro USD, look at my analysis on AUD USD first. I predicted that okay, this market, this is what I anticipated. Okay, we see a drop, and then to this zone, because it's a good value, it's a very valid point where I'll be expecting that price drop from. But now it's not what I'm anticipating anymore. I didn't enter the trade here. Yeah, and why didn't I was, when I look at the monthly time frame, even though it's at the POI and it's doing as I analyzed, and even if it drop, it won't go as I predict. That's, yeah, I don't think it will go. So you just maybe retrace a bit and then fly up. Looking at the monthly, if you understand, we are having currently having an impulse move. We can't call it an impulse move yet unless this month gets to an end, but because of what the majors are saying, we you know we can take it as a potential impulse move, or impulse move to the upside, or impulse move up for the month. Yeah, so that's it for AUD USD. So any retracement to the downside, I am going to find a good retracement and I'm going to enter for a long opportunity. So Euro USD, that's it's looks clear enough, looks glaring on the weekly time frame. Price, uh this is going to be a swing low because of the lower low that is to the left side and the low that is formed to the right side, and I just think this is going to keep flying up because we are in that area where we are in that era where price just wants to keep going up. Yeah, we are in that era, and we in the coming days, in few months time, 2 months, you are going to see, you're going to look back and you'll be seeing that Euro USD started here where I'm calling it now, and it has been flying up. Yeah, looking at the monthly, you see this old low here. You see how price gave an impulse move on a monthly time frame, and then we just retrace. And I said something in one of my videos that if Euro USD will not break this low, and it rejects around somewhere here, then it means that okay, this low will not be broken and we are just heading up to break the ice. And breaking this high, guys, I'll still be holding a lot of analysis. I'll be dropping it as it's going. If this high, guys, if it gets broken, best believe we are heading for this. And this is not small move, guys. This is not small move. This is a monthly time frame. It's for the swing trader, it's still like, looking at this, man, you could hold it for a very long time, but it's gonna be worth it because it could take, I don't know, I don't know. Let me not just say how long, but if you are just engaging in buys, you make money on Euro USD potentially. So you can imagine on the weekly time frame, this is it here. Like the first target. I'm not even saying calling this as the first target. So maybe this week is ending today. Today is Friday. Maybe next week we see that a little retracement. With any little retracement I see to the POI, I'm gonna be taking it according to the signature I get here. So with first TP here, and we can begin the ride all the way to 2000 level. I put it somewhere. I put my drawing there, one of these Euro USD charts. Okay, okay. This is to 15k or 1.15 level. But first, I want to see Euro USD move to the 1.1200. So that's it for Euro USD. For DXY, which we use to gauge the Euro USD, this is what I analyzed earlier on it. You can see I was saying, okay, maybe we are going to come up all the way to this place, but the major move is that DXY is coming down. But as it is now, Euro USD is not trading as if you want to go up. It's not interested in going up, and that's why this bearish move that form, any retracement we get from it will be a good sell continuation to the downside. Here is it for today's analysis. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, turn on the video notification, and do subscribe so you'll be part of the family. And until next time, good luck.